Just to leave this world behind. One of the world left me on the wall. Who would like to see it? My man living in tranquility. Oh, oh, oh. And if only we were free, well, yeah, we will live it all over. Sing the brother. We're all in this life together. If we are the same as one, yeah, we're all in my world, so we'll figure it out. It's time to live as one. There ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. There ain't nothing like the good love with it. Girl, ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. There ain't nothing like this. I'm so glad you're my girl. I call you every night, singing all the night from 9 to 5. So bright and shining, oh my girl, you are my fairy tale. I wanna take it where you are. Yo, but I'm gonna tell you,
special and different tonight. First and foremost, I want to introduce my Gyptian family. This is my sister, Mcgregor. This is Stephen the Genius Mcgregor. This is Yeshua Mcgregor. Now it's Freddiemcgregor and friends. And we have a few friends with us. And we're going to re-invite our first friend. Ladies and gentlemen, allow us to reintroduce Mr. Tony Curtis.
Got a lot of things to show you. Please understand that I'm only a man, and my urge is stronger. You'll be waiting much longer. So I get to know you better. So I can say what I want to say. Oh,
You wanna have things your own way. Don't give a damn what you do or say. Listen, baby, you don't care. And now you're going astray. What will it take to change your way? That crazy living night and day. Sing! If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way.
Follow us in every day.
Sometimes it's best to look the other way. Life would be better one day, yeah.
What will it take to change your way? That crazy living night and day. So if you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way.
And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go.
Everybody plenty. When we gonna end with our own baby. I just I know I say. Introducing Mr. Perfect one more time to the stage. I believe this is in prophecy. Are you ready? Looks like the sun, it doesn't shine for me. Still I believe in trying to be free. Freedom is how much time goes. No matter how they come and go. Still I believe these things in prophecy. But when the rain starts falling down and they got no water, they gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were on there. And when the stars start falling down and the fire's burning, they will be weeping and the gnashing of teeth, and everyone will be mourning. Where's the papa? Everyone will be mourning. Sinners, you will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning. It's like the moon, it doesn't shine for me. Still I believe in trying to be free. But freedom is on my side, go. No matter how they come and go. Still I read these things in prophecy. When the rain starts falling down and they got no water, what they gonna drink? They gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under. Yes, and when the stars start falling down and then the fire is burning, red out, they will be weeping at the national teeth and everyone will be mourning. Give it up for everyone, give it up. Introduce it again, pressure is fire. Now let them take in the bleeding, find this way to stay. I'm longing to see you. I want to know what you've been doing over yonder. I'm gonna catch this flight, and when I reach my destination, hope you'll be smiling. Longing to see you. I thought you got me alive. Just to say hello, my dear, I'm doing fine. Doesn't matter anyway now, for my love for you will never change. Doesn't matter if all the wrong when push out the shore. Everybody wanna put the blame on me. For love with me, for love with me. Push up to show. Everybody wanna put the blame on me. Give it up, my cause we're moving.
Sailing on the ocean.
We don't need no commotion.
Sailing on the ocean.
Give it up. So when I'm ready, you must hold on steady. Moving on, I'm like it is needed. Get the seat and get till I'm ready. I'm ready, so hold on steady.
Sailing on the ocean.
Hold on to the earth now.
Big ship sailing on the ocean.
Get ready, cause we're moving.
Big ship sailing on the ocean.
We don't need no commotion.
Big ship sailing on the ocean.
Look up!
Sit in the park, holding hands together. I never should have gone away and left you like I did, girl. I thought you'd take me back, but I was just a little bit late. I was gonna be
no man. So this is what we're gonna do. This is Freddie Mcgregor and friends. So closing in fine style, we like to re-invite all of Freddie McGregor's friends to join us on stage. Children.Proform, get him on it, Ali, Longside, Luciano, Twiggy, Perfect, Sugar, Pragga the Benz, and Curtis, Frisco, come on, the pyramid, accurate.
very special moment. Man, they're close to the king, hear that?
Yeah? Run with him now.